Alright guys, my name's Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV and Marine. We're going to check out this Transcend 265BHT. This is a new revamped floor plan, formerly known as the 265BH. We're going to check out some of the differences, what they've done, color changes, things like that. So let's look at it. So coming down the new BHT, all right, 265, you still get the same great double door entrance into the bedroom and into the main. You will see that they are now the new G-glass doors. They look really slick, really nice. Everybody likes the glass doors. You still get the nice storage in the front. You can see they've changed a few things. You don't get the floodlights anymore. You get the full awning, LED lights underneath the awning. Everybody wants the LED lights under the awning. Transcend took note of that and did that for you. But you really see everything that you saw in the old ones except for those few changes. Really nice floor plan here on the outside of the camper. Now let's take a look at the storage. So in the storage side, the camping side of the camper, right, you can see this bag here. Well, what this is a hamper, and you have the entrance to the hamper is on the bedroom side. We'll show you what that looks like when we get inside, but you can just throw your clothes in there and take it with you to go. You can see this box right here. In this box, Grand Design with the Transcend lines now give you your own folding table. It's a black folding table that you can take with you, set up outside, use it inside if you want. It's really nice to come with all the new Transcends, something to take note on. 50 amp power cord already ready to go for you on this side. Now let's take a look at the other side, the storage side, the off door side for you. The storage on the off door side has your wet bay. All right, so the hose is going to come up through the floor and go into your quick connect here. You can see that you got two power disconnects. Well, this is your main battery disconnect like it's always had, but with this solar on top and your solar controller around here, they also give you a solar disconnect, which is new, which is really nice because you're able to turn the solar off and on with it when you want to use it, when you don't want to use it. You still get the motion sensed lights in the pass-through, but really nice pass-through. But guess what, guys? We're really not done with just this storage. On these new revamped floor plans, I'm going to show you a little bit more that they have in the back. Let's look. On the back side of the off-door side of the camper, you can see we've added a storage box. Look how deep that storage box is. Still get your motion sensed light in here. Also, one thing new on these revamped systems, you're now getting a tankless hot water heater. Everybody's interested in having these new tankless hot water heaters. Grand Design went ahead and put them on the Transcend. You're going to love the tankless hot water heaters. Now let's take a look at the outdoor kitchen. So one thing they've done with the new 265 is they have moved the kitchen to the rear of the unit. Now you're thinking that's kind of odd, but I love this because on your camping side of the camper, you know, you've got this back here. They've put you a light above it back here so you can light it up at night. Refrigerator, it's really convenient having this back here. You're not having to be on and taking up all the room of your camping side. You know, you get the griddle top grill, you get an electric refrigerator to keep all the kids' drinks cold, right? So we can keep this back here, keep it away from having to take up all of our camping side of our entertainment. You know, it's really nice having this back here. Let's take a look at the rest of it. Guys, before we go into this 265, I want to show you, they've updated the handrail. Now, everyone is really liking these safety rails. They're easy, they pull out, they give you a full extension all the way down, so getting in and out of the camper an ease. They also give you this little dog leash down here. Really nice. Everybody wants to hook up their dogs, right? You can hook them up right next to the door as you come in and out. It's really easy to do. Really things that they thought about on this Transcend that make it a little bit better. But now let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, coming into your 265, the inside's really cool. So they give you all your controls conveniently located right here on the right coming in the door. One thing they've done, they've put these strip lights in. That's kind of the new thing. Everybody loves them. On, off, dimmer switch. Everybody loves the dimmer switches built into the light switch. I like it too, really. Also, you get a Bluetooth speaker, inside, outside speakers, right? We took away the AM, FM. Nobody liked it. Couldn't pick it up at the lake, right? So, but we're Bluetooth. Made Bluetooth and connecting off of your phone, tablet, easy. Gave you inside, outside speakers with that. look over here, guys. They give you coat hooks coming right in the door. I mean, I can't tell you enough how people say to me, well, there's just nowhere to hang my coat. Well, Transcend thought about that. They give you some beefy coat hooks over here to hang your hat and your coat on as you come in. Starting in the back side of this Transcend, you're going to notice the color changes, right? So you still get the trifold sofa back here, but they've really upgraded the material. They've changed the colors on these. They're really nice, sleek. You notice in the bunks, they've changed the bunk pad colors as well. They've changed it to match the couch. It kind of blends in. It really takes away from noticing that is even a bunk back there, but they're really nice double over double bunks. You still get the same great storage over on the side with the hanging wardrobe on the top, the shelves coming down, and then you can also use the drawers that are in the steps as extra storage. Guys, all that right there is kind of stayed the same, but colors have changed. They've really kept that good because, right, don't change a good thing. Now let's take a look at the rest of the living room. Guys, in your slide on the Transcend, right, we still have the U-shaped dinette. Now, they've brought those colors on around, gave you that upgraded material in your U-shaped dinette, but for the most part kept it the same. But one thing they haven't kept the same is they have upgraded your refrigerator. Still get a 12-volt refrigerator that pairs nicely with that solar on top, right? But we get the two-sided refrigerator and a pull-out freezer on bottom, which is really nice. You know, maximizes your space in this fridge. And guess what? This has come back, right? We've got our pet drawers back. They've kind of upgraded them a little bit. You can now take them out, put them on the ground, put the dog and dog food water bowls and everything else out away from the drawer if you don't want them in there. But conveniently located right below the fridge again, guys. Let's check out the rest of this kitchen. Across from the U-shaped dinette, you know, we get a new TV. We're putting in TCL Google TVs in these guys now. You're gonna love that. You know, connect to the game, watch it at the campsite. You get the underlighting, still get that. You still get the same great storage underneath your countertop here. One thing that we have done in this guy in 2024, you know, that we took the oven away and gave you an air fryer microwave. Good reviews on all that, so they kept it the same. You still get this air fryer microwave up top. You still get a 3-burner stovetop up top with the LED lighting in the knobs. Still, you get the same great farmhouse style sink with your gooseneck sprayer. But look at what they've added down here. So everybody wonders where they're putting their trash can. Well, you don't have to wonder where you're going to put it in the new 265. They've given you a spot for the trash can, really conveniently located underneath the sink. Everybody loves that. Now let's take a look at the rest of the camper. Before we go into the bathroom, I just want to talk about these under counter lights. That's something that has changed just a little bit. So yes, they put in the LED strip lights. These lights right here, they actually turn on and off with the same switch, same dimmable switch, right? So instead of having to go under and push button all those lights, well, now they're on switches. You still get some of the push button lights like in the bunk room and stuff like that, but you know, you're not going to have to worry about pushing all these off anymore because they're all tied into the switch. Something really to think about, something that makes it a little bit nicer for you. Now let's take a look at this bathroom. Before we enter the bathroom, I just want to show you this new door. Like, they give you this textured style door, right? It looks really nice, really sleek. Just little upgrades, you know, to make you feel a little bit better about it. It looks really, really good. You still get the same great counter coming all the way into your bathroom. I love the sink being in the corner, maximizes space in the pass-through bathroom, right? You still get your GFCI fault plug there. We're going to have tankless water heater controls. Show you those in just a second. Guys, you still get the porcelain foot flush toilet. This is a Dometic 300 series toilet. Really nice toilet. You still get your nice step-in shower. Big enough for everybody. They still give you the skylight for your extra tall 6'7" shack filling people. All right, they're all gonna fit in here. You're gonna love this shower. So one thing we told you new about this was the tankless hot water heater. Well, your tankless hot water heater controls are right inside the bathroom here. You know, it's something that's customizable. You can set your water temperature 95 all the way up to 124 degrees, which is, you know, really nice for a lot of people. Some people like their water hotter, not as much. Well, customizable in this guy. Now let's check out the bedroom. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you. I told you I would show you the hamper from the inside. It's really cool. So on this, coming inside the door here, just open that cabinet, throw your clothes in, right? That hamper's going to catch them. Ready, get it full, take it out from the inside there in the storage, take it to the laundry room, do your laundry. We've got this bed up because I want to show you how big this storage box is underneath here, right? So you get that same big storage box that's under the 265. You're going to be able to take everything that you want to take with you because you can hide it in this box, right, guys? So you get a full-size queen bed. That's one thing to note about these campers is Transcend gives you a full 60 by 80 queen bed, right? Everybody wants a full-size queen bed, especially if you're tall. Your feet's not going to hang off the end like those camper queens. Take a look at behind your wardrobes here. You get the plug-ins, the USBs. You're going to be able to set a CPAP machine back there, your alarm clock, your phone. Everything's going to fit back there while you're sleeping. Keep it conveniently located next to you. So in this, you get storage on both sides of your bed. You know, this side right here is going to be shelves. All right, so all your folding clothes can fit in here. The other side is going to be a hanging wardrobe. You get storage up top. You get a pull drawer below. Look how long that drawer is, right? It's a full pull drawer for you. That's big stuff in a bedroom this size. I've got plenty of room to get around this bed. Plus, you're going to have things like your push button lighting. All right. Your overheads are going to be on a switch, right? Switches are nice. They put your bedroom lights on a switch in the Transcends. One thing they've also upgraded in this bedroom is you'll see little things like the compass design over the bed. You know, they try to make them a little bit nicer, cleaner looking. I like things like that. Makes it really pop in here. If you're interested in this revamped 265 BHT, check us out, you know, online. Give us a call, shoot us a text. You know, we are a family-owned dealership here at Cookeville RV. We want you to be part of the family. Can't wait to see you.